Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to check and drain your transfer case fluid on a 2015 Jeep Wrangler with a 3.6 liter. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So the transfer case, if you don't know, is located in the center of the vehicle. You have your front drive shaft coming out of the front of it and the rear drive shaft coming out of the rear of it. This is the fill and the check level plug. So to check your fluid level, you would use a number 10 Allen head socket. Fits right in there. Break that open. Now you got to make sure your vehicle is leveled. Obviously you don't want it tilted with the backside of the vehicle facing down. The fluid will pour out on you. So I know my vehicle is level, sorry about that. And now I would take I think my pinky will fit in there, and you're gonna bring your finger in, level it, don't bend it down. And there's the fluid level. Perfect. That's like textbook style. That is right where you want it to be. And it's clean. So I can check the condition of it with a clear rag. And you want the fluid to be clean and no debris. That's still nice and red and pink. So that means that this probably takes ATF, which you could check your manual for the actual specs. So if I was to drain this, if I needed to drain my fluid, there is another socket right here. You would take that out with the same socket, Allen head 10. Take it out with that one out because you cause an air. It'd be like an air suction. So you want them both out and drain the system. You take your shield down to make less of a mess. And then you would drain the system. When it's fully drained, you would put that plug back in, tighten it up, and fill your fluid through that. And like I said, check your manufacturer, your manual for the manufacturer's specifications for the fluid that goes in it. But in this case, we have no leaks, we have low mileage, and the fluid is clean. So I'm just going to tighten up my check plug. So that's how you check or drain and fill your transfer case fluid.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.